Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide friend list on Facebook. Now the first thing you have to do is open Facebook app. Now from here tap on this icon and then scroll down, then go to settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Now from here scroll down again, and here you can see how people can find you and contact you option, then just tap here. Now here you can see who can see your friend list option, then just tap here. You can see 5 options here: public, friends, friends except, specific friends, and only me. To hide your friend list you have to select only me from here. And it's done. Now your Facebook friend list will be hide and no one can see your friend list. You can also change your others Facebook settings from here. And that is how you can hide friend list on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.